Okay, so if I give you the example y equals -3 cosine of 2x plus pi, we need to adjust our phase shift in our period here. So first I have to factor out a 2 here. So if I factor that out, remember you are not left with pi here anymore. This is pi over 2 because it has to equal pi. So now my period is 2 pi divided by 2, giving me pi. So I want to break that up to be intervals, so divide that by 4. So I have intervals of pi over 4. So if I look at this, I have pi over 4, pi over 2, 3 pi over 4, and pi. And you can do that backwards as well. So negative pi over 4, negative pi over 2, negative 3 pi over 4, negative pi, goes on. So my amplitude is 3, so I'm going to draw my max at 3, my min at 3. I don't have any vertical shift, so I don't have to worry about that. So now my phase shift is negative pi over 2. Remember, it's this. We factored out a 2, and it's the opposite value. So then my cosine graph starts with maximum, interval, minimum, interval, maximum. However, I have a reflection with this negative, so it's going to be reflected over the x-axis. Meaning I start with my minimum, interval, or intercept, maximum, intercept, minimum. So when I graph that, don't pretend like you don't see those dots here. I messed up in pen, but you're starting at your minimum, intercept, maximum, intercept, minimum.